Hola clase, hoy es el día de los gemelos. Es miércoles 25 de marzo 2020. And today is Twin Day. So for Spirit Week this week, make sure that you connect with one of your best friends and dress up as twins. And then send in pictures to with hashtag RMS together, or send them into the yearbook balfour.com as well. I would love to see some pictures of you and your friends dressed up as twins, but with space between you. And so send me a collage of you and your friends dressed up as twins today. So on your agenda today, primero, there's a quiz quiz review because you have a quiz on Thursday. So there's a quiz review on the planner for today. Quiz 17, you'll just need an extra piece of paper. Write number, I think it's 1 through 40, and answer the questions and then go back and look at the answers the second time through. Segundo, if you're still struggling with stem changing verbs, I posted a video yesterday about stem changing verbs and a description of how to do them step by step, trying to go through slowly. So check that out if you're still struggling with stem changing verbs. Tercero, there's a couple of Kahoots that I made. One is called La Comida y el Restaurante, and maybe you can get together with one of your friends or a few of your friends. Just text them the code and you can all play it together. That might be fun. And then cuarto, there's a second Kahoot. It's stem changing verbs. Just be aware that I misspelled some of the answers in this, and there are some verbs in there that we haven't had on our vocab list. But as long as you know what kind of stem change it is, and you know your endings already, you should be able to get those right. So try that as well. Quinto, please make sure that you've done all of these practice quizzes that I've posted on It's Learning. The tener expressions, to make sure you know all of those for the quiz. Stem changing verb, the meanings, and just stem changing verb practice. Both of those, you need to know what those verbs mean, and you need to know how to conjugate them. So if you haven't done those 3 practice quizzes, I am keeping track of what you've done and what you haven't done. So please go back to It's Learning. And also, just FYI, some people did it but didn't finish it. So make sure that you've finished all of those quizzes as well. Make sure that they have been sent. And then also remember that part of your quiz is the vocabulary. It's all the vocabulary about the stem changing verbs, and it's also the vocabulary for restaurant and tenet expressions. So all of those things are things you need to know for the quiz. Then lastly, la séptima cosa, I would like for you to go to Senor Woolley and activate an account for yourself, and there's a class code there. There's also a PDF that I posted. I don't know if that code changes, so if it does, if that one doesn't work, let me know, but I would like for you all to be able to sign up so that you can watch Senor Woolley from home. And that's it for today. So please make sure that you get online early, start practicing all those quizzes. You can go back to Quizlet to practice vocab again, but make sure you get ready for the quiz that's tomorrow. Miss you all. Hasta mañana. Hasta jueves, ¿sí? Okay. See you soon. Bye.